deep in the canyon where the shadows speak. The river's running, a promise it keeps. It carves a stone with a patient hand, the silver heartbeat of the ancient land. No need to shout, no need to fly, just watching the currents drifting by. The waterfalls, they roar and they cry, touching the earth and kissing the sky. Thunder's a rhythm, a heavy blue soul, giving us life, making us whole, pure and wild, beautifully grand. The power of water in the palm of our hand. From the highest peak to the valley floor, it opens up every hidden door, feeding the roots and the thirsty leaves. In every breath the forest weaves. The mist on my skin, the cold on my face, finding my peace in this holy place. It's a restless force, it's a quiet prayer. You can feel the magic in the damp morning air. It breaks the silence, it breaks the wall. It's the rise and the beauty of the fall. Kissing the sky. Thunder's a rhythm, a heavy blue soul, giving us life, making us whole, pure and wild, beautifully grand. The power of water in the palm of our hand. Flows on into the light. Just let it